5 Best Cordless Stick Vacuum for Carpet Reviews. Number 1. Tynico A11 Hero. Just like the name suggests, this is a hero in cleaning. It can thwart even the toughest dirt. If you have children or pets who notoriously keep littering the house and scattering food all over your carpet, this vacuum can take care of all of it. It is innovatively designed to provide a more comprehensive cleaning and is suited for large-scale vacuuming. With 2 detachable batteries, it boasts a 20% longer run time. That means you can clean the house uninterruptedly for longer. This vacuum can last for 60 minutes with each battery charge. That is enough to clean a substantial area before the need to recharge the batteries. Since it also has a dual charging system, both batteries are charged at the same time for longer performance. With this equipment you get 4 stages, fully sealed filtration system. In layman terms, it has a highly effective filtration system. Number 2. Jashen Powerful Stick Vacuum. If you prefer a cordless vacuum that functions quietly, then this is your best bet. Besides, the machine is a piece of innovation that can tackle all forms of dirt so quietly you might not notice that it is working. On the other hand, this stick vacuum can save you from the headache of having to work with noisy equipment constantly every time you need to vacuum your house. It also has some one-of-a-kind features that only make it even more suitable for serious carpet cleaning. This vacuum is meant to serve as floor-to-ceiling cleaning equipment. This makes it a very reliable option for someone who would want to use it for cleaning various parts of the house. Instead of buying different cleaning equipment for different parts of your house, you can choose this one for all the vacuuming. Number 3. Dyson Cyclone V10. Most users consider this to be one of the best if not the best cordless vacuum cleaner today. It can pick up to 100% of loose dirt or debris from medium pile carpet. Such a great ability is contributed to by the equipment's high function power and the upgraded torque drive head. The equipment runs for up to 60 minutes at full charge. Looking into the market, it is difficult to find similar equipment that can rival this run time. When you use the crevice tool, this cordless stick vacuum for carpets can even run for more time. This makes it a reliable piece of equipment since you can accomplish so much with it with a single full charge. It features the most powerful suction of any cordless vacuum. This equipment boasts 151 air watts of suction. This is better than what many of its competitions can provide. Number 4. Eureka NEC 222. Generally speaking, this is a very efficient piece of equipment. It provides homeowners with the opportunity to keep their homes flawlessly clean constantly without having to go through a lot of distressful situations. From control to maneuverability to the options, this machine makes it easy for the user to maximize dirt removal. This equipment boasts all floor cleaning ability, which means it can clean any type of floor. It has a powerful nozzle that deep cleans floors to perfection. Similarly, it can easily switch between hard floor and carpet when you press a button on the hand vacuum. The anti-allergen keeps you safe from allergens. It traps more than 99% of allergens and fine dust. Similarly, you will have an easy time not only using but also owning this vacuum since it does not need maintenance. The filter can be washed to free it from the dust. Number 5. BLACKDECKER Cordless 2-in-1. This is an innovatively engineered vacuum with some amazing features or abilities. With several reputable brands boasting of an average running time of just 20 minutes, this is one of the few exceptions. It offers way more than the average running time, and would, therefore, clean a larger area before running out of charge. This equipment generously includes several components that make it even more efficient and effective in cleaning your home. It includes a 6-inch nozzle, upholstery, and crevice tool. A combination of all these makes it complete with each part contributing greatly to its functionality. It also comes with components such as jack plug charger, washable filter kit, and scented tablets. Also, this equipment uses the same filter for the detachable hand vacuum. That way, it makes the hand vacuum bigger than it is supposed to be.
Oh.